Before installation, please inspect the unit. Be sure that nothing inside the package is damaged. You should have received the following items inside the package. All the fasteners must be fastened firmly as per required here, or the faults caused by watering rests under this situation will not be worn tight. Before connecting all the wirings, please take off the bottom cover by removing 4 screws as shown below. Leave enough space around the inverter, following the values on the picture. It's allowed to connect lithium battery and build communication only, which it has been configured. Please follow bellow steps to configure communication between a lithium battery and inverter. Please follow below steps to implement PV module connection. Please follow below steps to implement AC input-output connection. After connecting all the wirings and checking completed, please put the bottom cover back by tightening 4 screws as shown.